It is opening day for youth turkey season. Elias is going to be trying to get a turkey this morning. It's 6 o'clock. Aaron's over there. I don't know if you can see him.
Hey.
It's March 30th, and hopefully we can go get a turkey. It's raining right now, as you can see outside. Let's get there. At this point, we hear a gobble and decide to sit down because it was only probably 100 yards away. He's coming. He's right here. He's right on top of us. At this point, Elias actually sees the turkeys about 80 yards away. He's telling me that right now. And then we get really excited, and hopefully they come to us, which they never did. Okay, we hear a hen back here. Very hard to hear, but we do hear one, and it keeps responding to our hen call, and it's going crazy. We quickly talk about it just to see what we thought, and we decided to go walk down about 30 to 40 yards. Maybe they went back there into that field, and we set up there for about 30 minutes. It's been about 30 or 40 minutes, probably 20 minutes since we've heard them. We should set up a new place, and hopefully they come out. Maybe we see them one of these times. This is where our decoys are. There's a hen. Right there. And right here. There is a Jake decoy. So hopefully we can get them. They're coming from this way. So let's see if they come.
guy said he saw a turkey. Where do you see him? Oh my goodness. Holy cow!
Oh my word.
You want to see him? Come on, Dad. See him.
This is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen that.
They're going back into that backfield.
Let's see if I can count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I doubt it.
There's like 12.
Well, that's something we didn't really want to see. I cannot believe how many turkeys there is. I think there's about 20 to 25. You can't really see because the brush is covering, but man alive, that is crazy.
Okay guys, about 9 o'clock and we saw all the turkeys out in the field. There's like 25 of them. Unbelievable. So right now we're just eating snacks and maybe they will come back. Right now we're set up right here. The turkeys were way out in that field. So hopefully they'll come back over here. Heron,
Hey,
what are you doing?
just ate some trail mix. Gonna see if I can get some pictures of some birds right now.
That's what's going on right now, and I'll give you an update if we see anything else. So we got the decoys. We're gonna go in the middle of the woods, see if we can set these up, see if we can get a gobbler to come, because we think we may have heard one. We're setting up on this corner, and we got our dad and grandpa over on that side. They're gonna look from there, see, because we saw those turkeys way back over there. They're gonna see if they're coming from that way, so then we can move that way, or if they're coming back from this way. We're just gonna wait it out, see how long it takes, and try to get turkey. Walking back to the corner here. Didn't hear anything over there. We got some pictures of turkeys on the trail cam that went through this corner here at 11:40, and we're gonna see if maybe they have a pattern and come back this way. Maybe set up the decoys and see if we can get turkey. We just saw a turkey when we came over this edge, and we just went in the woods.
It's day 2, and we're going turkey hunting again. It's 5:53. Gotta go get a turkey, so let's go get him.
Let's head over to the area and see it. Okay guys, it's about 7:40 right now. 7:40 right now, and I think we've heard one gobble, but everything else, nothing. So we've been sitting here for about 45 minutes, 3 minutes, nothing. Done about 4 or 5 calls, and I think we've heard a couple hens, maybe a gobbler, back towards that way. So maybe we'll get one. I'll give you an update if we hear anything. Okay guys, we're moving spots. Just got done hunting on that set. Nothing at all. Maybe one gobble. they're gonna look for tracks. Hopefully we can find something. This is our new spot. Let's get one. Okay guys, we're in our new spot. Haven't heard anything yet. It's pretty open. I'll show you. Hopefully we can get one to come through here. Decoys right there. Right there are the decoys. Hopefully something gobbles soon, so stay tuned. Let's get one. Cold out today, it's about 35 right now, and it's sunny, so hopefully we can get something. Yeah, you're right. Grab those. Yep. Okay guys, it's about 9 o'clock and 9:30. Haven't heard anything still, so just sitting here in the field. It's out. Right there. Shooter is right here. Lies. Nothing at all. So keep you updated if we see anything or hear anything.
Okay, so that was all the footage, and we didn't get a turkey this time. Maybe we'll get him next year. Didn't hear a thing all day. Thought I may have heard a hen yelping, but we're trying to shoot a tom, not a hen. So
Stay tuned till 2 weeks from now, and we'll be posting another turkey video.
yep. So hope you guys had a good day. God bless.